Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to another episode of Griddle Porn, where we're not griddling again today because I don't have my griddle on me. It's packed up in a shipping container in between here and there and there and here, and hopefully we'll be reunited soon. But in the meantime, I've been doing things like cooking in a air fryer and taste testing and doing product reviews. That's not a knife. I got a knife. It's a Morakniv from Sweden. No, another one's Sweden, I think. I've been reading about these online and seeing reviews and oh, right there, made in Sweden. This one was on sale. It's the Morakniv Companion. It's the carbon steel blade. And I'm not a knife fanatic. I don't have a ton of Benchmades and SOGs and other fancy names, but I like having a good knife around. It's handy. So this comes in this little sheath, and it pops right out. Like, check out it's got the belt thing there, and this will hook onto a button on your shirt. It's pretty cool. It doesn't, it stays in there. And the knife itself is got a nice rubber handle. It's a 3/4 tang, I believe. Look at that. Ooh, nice and shiny. Fits your palm. I mean, the grip is perfect. There's the and there's the back end, the business end. I mean, you could pay more than I paid like 12 or 13 bucks on sale on Amazon. And you can find cheap junk at the flea market for twice that. It's sharp. Look at that. Just cuts right through. Like a knife through butter. This is here, you can scan this code if you want, or not. I don't know what that'll do. Companion, item number, blah, blah, blah. Made in Sweden. So the Swedes know their knives. Big thumbs up. I can't say enough good for the money, especially. I may have to get me a couple more of these now. Put one in each pack, my go bag, my car, my motorcycle, my camping gear. This is an awesome knife, especially when you figure in the money. It's a big thumbs up. So there you go, the Morakniv, and that's spelled with a V, not an F-E at the end. So, thanks for watching. Come back again and we'll do something else. And see you next time. Bye!